A major fire broke out in All India Industrial Exhibition yesterday, reducing 300 stalls to ashes. There was no loss of life, but traders suffered financial losses of around 40 crore. Few people sustained minor injuries in a mild stampede after the fire broke out after 9 p.m. from a stall, reportedly due to short circuit. Thousands of people, including women and children, who were present in the sprawling exhibition ground in Nampally, in the heart of Hyderabad city, ran out in panic. Over 30,000 people were present in the annual exhibition at the time of the fire accident.
मैं तमाम आवाम से अपील करता हूँ जो एग्जीबिशन में है और तमाम स्टॉलों के ओनर से तो हमारे साथ कोऑपरेट कीजिए, पुलिस के साथ कोऑपरेट कीजिए, फायर डिपार्टमेंट के साथ कोऑपरेट कीजिए। पुलिस के पूरे बड़े बड़े अहदेदार यहाँ पर है, फायर के डीजीपी पर यहाँ पर है, पूरे अपने अमला मुस्तैदी से उसको आग पर काबू पाने की कोशिश कर रहा है और काबू पा चुके हैं। थोड़ा सा जो लोगों में बेचैनी है वो हम दूर करना चाहते हैं, सबको यकीन दिलाना चाहते हैं कि आप कोई किस्म की फिक्र मत कीजिए। यकीनन हमें बहुत दुख है जिनका नुकसान हुआ है, माली नुकसान हुआ है, मगर माल से ज़्यादा जान की अहमियत होती है। अल्लाह के फजल करम से, ऊपर के भगवान की कृपा से किसी जानी नुकसान नहीं हुआ। माली नुकसान का जो भी हुआ है यकीनन उसे कल पूरा सर्वे किया जाएगा।
Police diverted vehicular traffic on the roads surrounding the exhibition ground. Hyderabad Metro announced free travel and operated 5 additional trains from the nearby station to clear the rush.
Situation is very much under control now. Everybody is fine. People were successfully, safely sent out of the campus, and traffic diversions were taken care of, and everything was fallen in line. There were proper coordination amongst all the departments, and things are under control now.
The 78th All India Industrial Exhibition was inaugurated on 1st January and had over 2,500 stalls. Considered as mother of all carnivals, Numaish is an integral part of Hyderabad's rich culture. Every day, 40,000 to 50,000 people visit Numaish. The numbers reach 1 lakh on weekends and holidays. An ETV Bharat report.